Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. Spent the week backpacking in to another cool creek, but decided I would come here today. Super cool water. I've hiked up about a half a mile already from the trailhead. Gonna go ahead and probably go ahead and start fishing. I don't really know what to expect. I heard it had browns in it, so I got my 7.5 foot 3-way. Probably rig up a hopper dropper, dry dropper. Yeah, give them two options: something on service, something subsurface, and just see what we can find. Definitely some cool water. This is Great Smoky Mountain National Park. Yeah, it's looking good. I'm excited. That's a good looking pool right there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and rig up. I just walked in, so I haven't rigged up or anything. Haven't had a chance to unpack my hip pack, get my backpack out and stuff like that, so I'll probably do that later. It's probably Saturday, it's good weather, and then Sunday it's supposed to rain a little bit, so I'll probably use Sunday as a transition day. Reached out to a couple people that are local in the area, see if they would be willing to fish with me, show me some stuff, get some local intel, if you will. But yeah, let's rig up and go see if we can find some fish. All right, so I bushwhacked up that, but as far as I wanted to, found some small rainbows. Seemed like it was getting tighter and tighter. And then I hit this ridge. Felt like it was probably time to go back. Didn't want to. I got to basically like a waterfall. It's like a 9-foot climb over. I was like, that didn't look like fun. So made my way back. Didn't want to bushwhack up to here from down there, so I went back to where I started. Gonna cross this ridge, see what the stream looks like on the other side. Maybe bushwhack into that, but we'll see. I thought they were browns. That's what I was told, but all I've seen are rainbows. But I'm not playing. They're wild, so it's fun. They're eating dries. Let's go figure it out. And see, I wasn't gonna be coming up through that anytime soon. Beautiful area. Man, how cool. All right, that's a cool stream today. I think the stream itself was probably the highlight of the entire trip. The fish were okay, lots of small rainbows. Honestly, I had found that on a blog post, and it was close to where I was at this morning, so I decided I would just stop in and see how it was, and I was expecting browns. I didn't expect the stream to be as beautiful as it was. The stream itself was just, it was pretty cool. I mean, lots of waterfalls. It was just super scenic. Fishing was, like I said, was just kind of okay, but I guess you gotta take that stuff that you find on the internet with a grain of salt, because sometimes it just doesn't work out the way you want it to. But anyway, found this cool dispersed camping area last time I was in the area. I was driving through. Decided to come back tonight. I figured wouldn't be by here, and there's not. Getting dinner ready right now. There's a stream over there. The main road runs through. Pretty much knew I'd have it to myself. It's Friday night. Not really any reason for anybody to come out here. And tell people I'll camp down there sometimes, but I'm just gonna set my truck camper up here tonight. Do some dinner. Thinking about spam, potatoes, onions, some instant rice. Kind of mix it all up. one big smorgasbord, and just get something to eat. I need some calories. I'm hungry. I hiked down to that stream a little bit earlier. Just wanted to see if it was worth fishing tomorrow. Didn't see anything. Even walked through the stream a little bit. I fished for probably an hour. Thought maybe I might see some brook trout. Didn't see anything. It was a pretty stream, but gonna go somewhere else tomorrow. But right now it's time for dinner. All right, so I have some diced potatoes and some onions. Gonna throw those in first. Saute those up really nice. Probably do the potatoes early. Let those sit. I've already put some oil in the pan, so put that off over here. I think that's hot enough. So I'm gonna fry those potatoes first. Salt and pepper. Such a cool area. Little campsites like this exist all over. I think I marked 6 or 7 on this road alone. This is my favorite because it was right next to the stream, so I can fill my water, filter water, and I just like hearing the sound of the stream. Gives you, you know, something to listen to when you're out here. When the potatoes get close to done, I got a Spam single. It's 140 calories. So between this, the potatoes, onions, instant rice, should be about 600 calories, I'd guess. A little more flavor. All right, that's the final product. Secret sauce. Gonna add some of that. I don't know if I'm just starving or it's really good. Probably a little bit of both. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and then after that I'm gonna walk around, grab some firewood, probably make a fire down there, and then just hang out for the rest of the night.